Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much for joining my channel today. Today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to be making, and I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers and supporters out there. Thank you so much for showing me your love and your kindness, and showing that you like my videos and what I produce here on my channel. And to you newcomers, thank you for tuning in and stopping by my channel, Diane's Decorating and More. Hope you enjoy the videos that you see, and share and subscribe so you can see what is added on the channel. Okay, so without any further ado, we're going to get started. I have taken a shot of all of the ingredients I use. All right, everything is at room temperature. Everything's been cleaned, sanitized, and we are ready to go. All right, so we're gonna get started with our butter. Okay, and it takes 2 sticks of butter. All right, so we're gonna do that first. Get that done. All right, so we're going to get started here. I'm going to mix the butter until it is fluffy, okay? So I won't show all of this because of the sound of the mixer, but I'll just get started on that part, and then I'll come back and show you exactly what happens, okay? Okay, I wanted to show you exactly what the whipped butter looks like. Hope the camera does that justice. All right, that's what it looks like. That's the consistency you want to see, which takes about 5 minutes with this type of little hand mixer here to whip it to that consistency, okay? So that's what you want to see. All right, so now we're going to put our 2 eggs in, okay, 1 at a time. Since it's only 2, hopefully I can get this to go right. Oops. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we got that in there. All right, we're gonna whip that in there. Okay. All right. Very quick. Okay. There we go. All right. You see what that looks like with the eggs and the butter there whipped all up. Okay. All right, and that's what you pretty much want to see. Okay, that means it's well incorporated together and you're ready for your sugar. All right, so as it said on the ingredients there that I shared with you, we use 2 cups of sugar, okay, for this particular one. Okay, this is the consistency now of the butter, the sugar, and the eggs, okay? And that whipped for about another 5 minutes, okay? That's what you want to see, if we can does that justice like that, okay? So, all right, now we're ready to add in our flour, okay? And as you saw in the clip, it was the gold medal flour, and that's what I grew up seeing my mom cook with, okay? So that's what I use, and that's what we had at home. So I've already sifted the flour, baking powder, soda, salt. What else did I say that we had in there? It was one other thing. Nutmeg. I think it was nutmeg. Yeah, a teaspoon of nutmeg. If I didn't mention that or show that clip of the nutmeg, guys, make sure you use that, okay? One teaspoon of nutmeg, okay? I'll put that in the comment section of the video for you guys. All right, so we're gonna alternate between the milk and the flour, okay? All right, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna add this in here a little bit at a time, okay? All right. All right. Very slowly. Like I say, our buttermilk, a little bit at a time, okay? And I did take my flavors, which is vanilla and almond, okay? And I used a little of this too. This is that new version that I was gonna start using in my cakes going forward, which is made by Superior, and it's called the vanilla butter and nut flavor, okay? And remember, I've said in my previous video, you find this on Amazon, okay? This is the one that I grew up watching my mom use in her kitchen, okay? And I'm so glad that I found it. All right, so we're gonna continue here. Okay guys, these are the ingredients that I'm using to make my mango coconut muffins. Okay, this is some of the batter that I had left over from making my tea cakes. Okay, and this is what I am sharing with you, that I cut up the mangoes. Okay, and some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using here to make my muffins. And I wanted to share that with you. I will also splice in this video how I made the tea cake batter, so that way you'll know how you can use the same ingredients to make the muffins. Okay, and I'll let you know how they come out, because I'm going to show you once I finish with everything. Okay, all right, so as you see right here in the bowl, I've taken some of the mangoes and I'm going to crush those up. Okay, and I'm going to incorporate those into the batter that's already prepared, which is the tea cake batter that I've used, the same ingredients. Okay, and then we're going to take that and transfer it into our prepared muffin pan right here, and I'll let you see all of that while I put together everything. Okay, all right, be right back. Okay, so we are going to be crushing up our mangoes here. Okay, all right, just want to crush them as much as I can. That way I don't have to worry about it. So you can see exactly what I'm talking about. You see how crushed that is? That's what you want, okay? Because that way, the more crushed it is, the better it will incorporate into your already prepared batter. Okay. All right. So already seen this batter from where I was making the tea cakes. Okay, so I had this left over. I don't believe in throwing away anything. So let me show them how they can use any type of batter that they have left over to create something else. All right, so we're going to take the mango, crushed mango there. Okay, and I learned a lot of cooking techniques and things you can do in the kitchen different through trial and error. Okay, so don't be afraid to go beyond the normal of something. If you have batter left over, if you have dough left over, hey, experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment, okay? Don't be afraid to experiment. That's how some of the most wonderful things have been discovered and created. All right? Okay. So, I'll incorporate all of that into here and let you see what it looks like. All right. Just fold that in there. Fold it and fold it and fold it. Okay. So that's well incorporated in there. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to put just a few little pieces of the brown coconut in there, okay? Just a little bit. Because I like coconut, I like mango, I like pecans, okay? And this is the coconut that I tend to purchase whenever I'm making something. All right, so now we're gonna fold the coconut as well inside of here. You have coconut in here, you have mango, okay, crushed mango. And just a half of a mango can give you what you're looking for. If it's one of those big giant ones like that, if it's the little ones like so, you might take two. But if it's a big giant one like the one I showed you in the clip, then hey, you don't need but one. Okay? Alright, we got the coconut, there's the mango in there. Alright. And I'll show you what that looks like too. Okay, see that? Okay. Alright. 6 of these large muffins. This is a large can. Large large pan. Okay, and you can see they're very deep and very big. So I'm gonna reinforce that with some baker's joy. I don't have to, but I want to. Simply because I have fruit in this mixture here. Okay. I want to make sure they pop out like they should. Okay. Going to spoon the batter into the muffin tin. Okay. generous portions, okay? I'm not holding back because I don't want anything left. I want it all baked. So, I'm just gonna smooth it around in there like that. Hold that there. Yeah. Good. Snip that. All right. So this is gonna go into the oven at 350. Okay, for approximately 30 minutes. And then at 20 minutes, I'm gonna check it. Okay, and I say 30 because sometimes it takes a little longer if you have fruit. My experience in something. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna come back and I'll show you exactly what these muffins look like, our coconut mango muffins. Okay, as promised, I did say I'd come back and show you what the muffins look like, and that is the coconut mango muffins. Okay, made from the dough that I had left over from making the tea cakes. So it goes to show that you can experiment and make something different out of something that's left over. Okay, and I will make sure that I put this in the video as well for you guys. All right, they're still a little warm to the touch, and they're very soft, very soft. Okay, so that's what they look like. I don't know if I can take one out for you to see here. Okay, see which one is loose from the thing here, or will come loose. Okay, that one looks like it wants to play with me. Okay, so yeah, that's what they look like. Okay, around there. Now this one I just put an extra coconut on top of this one, and the ones with the nuts like that, I put 3 pecans on top of it. Okay, so yeah, it's a little hot for me to take out of the wrapper, so I'm gonna have to let that cool. Okay, and I just wanted to give you that little shot there. All right. Okay.